Hey, why does a spacecraft feel weightless while orbiting the Earth, even though gravity is still acting on it? Astronauts are not floating because there is no gravity. In fact, gravity up there is almost as strong as on Earth. So why do they feel weightless? Here comes the twist that breaks most intuitions. Start from one brutal fact. Gravity never turns off around Earth. At the altitude of a spacecraft, gravity is still pulling with about 90% of the force you feel on the ground. So why no weight? Because weight is not gravity. Weight is the force of a surface pushing back on you. On Earth, gravity pulls you down. The floor pushes you up. That push is what you feel as weight. In orbit, the spacecraft is constantly falling toward Earth. But it also moves forward fast enough to keep missing it. This is orbit, a continuous free fall around the planet. The astronaut, the spacecraft, and everything inside fall together at the same rate. No surface pushes on the astronaut. No reaction force. No weight. Gravity is there. Acceleration is there. But resistance is zero. Weightlessness is not the absence of gravity. It is the absence of support. Memorable takeaway. Astronauts are not floating. They are falling perfectly. If this idea just rewired how you think about gravity, give the video a like, subscribe to Geo's Stuff, and stick around. Physics gets way more interesting from here.